Hello, welcome guys. A few days ago one of our clients reached out to us and said that he want to implement this feature, this autoplay feature on his website. So we did that. As you can see, if I refresh the page, as you can see the video is playing automatically in Webflow site. So this feature is not controlled by Webflow does not provide that much control, so you have to do something different. So what I did, I just uploaded the video on this website called Vidzflow. This is the video solution for Webflow. So here I uploaded the video and then I enable this autoplay, muted, loop, click to play option. All other options are now in premium, so I have to upgrade the plan. For now I just used it so that my client check it, and then if he purchase the paid plan, then I will implement the feature. So also let me show you how I implement this. So after uploading the video and enable these settings, okay, so after uploading the video and enabling these settings, you can just go to share and then you can just copy the video link and paste in your Webflow site. But I did something different. I just copy this embed code. By default it will be fixed size. Make sure to check this responsive so you can control the video size on your Webflow site. So let's copy that. After that I just bring in a code embed in Webflow, which you know how to bring in, and then I just paste the code and then I select this entire URL and I added this with the CMS video URL. So the video URL will come from CMS. So I don't have to manually change everything, it will be controlled by CMS. So if the client want to change the product, the video will automatically change. This is the very smart way to do that. I'm not going to change it because this is a real project. And that's it for this video. And as you can see, if I refresh the page again, as you can see there is a sticky animation, and yeah, although there is some work I have to do like corner radius and size optimization, but for now it is very good. And that's it for this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and see you in the next one.